Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Margarita Crypto, and in today's video, as I mentioned before, I would like to create a tutorials for different exchanges and it's pretty much tutorials and much more information what will be combined, I guess, in the videos. I hope it's understandable. So we're gonna go through different exchange where in one or other part, let's say one or other time, I actually used, and I'm still using. Maybe some I use much more often, some no, but because I'm recording and pre-recording all the videos today and tomorrow, so you're gonna see different you can see everything like bit address and Coinbase, but it's for another thing. But in today's like video tutorial, like I prepared few things what I would like to talk about. So it's actually about exchange platform called blockchain. So yes, it's one of the platforms is blockchain.com. It's, I believe, like one of the oldest exchange platform for cryptocurrency. I mean, they actually upgraded so much. You can actually get free air tags, like airdrops, air airdrops. Yeah, I don't know like what's happening. I haven't probably spoken English for such a long time. So yes, and they kind of offer a few things. What it's kind of cool. It's not like they offer airdrop, let's say, constantly, right? If they offer it, like if you're lucky enough, you can get it. So yes, I used blockchain. I think I was like big fanatic of it a couple years back. I mean, I'm still am, but you know, when I try to register and see how I feel in this exchange, you know, like see pros and cons and just kind of understand how it works. So I usually spend with one exchange for a couple of years or a couple of months, and then I go to other. But I mean, in general, blockchain, it's yeah, one of the oldest. I believe I've kind of told that. So that it's just so funny because it's the weather-wise. So this is why I'm looking through the window. So yeah, but we're gonna talk about blockchain a little bit. Let's just check it around, like what it is. I want to say that you can get free airdrops. All information and invitation to different blockchains, different exchanges will be listed down below so you can join in with free gifts, like free presents. Everybody likes free things, free shit. And of course, discount codes. And I'm going to show you how to use my discount code when you signing in. That will be shortly. But let's just kind of bruise around. So just to see it, what it is, how does it work, you know. I mean, it's they have so much like cool things. It's like the easiest and most powerful crypto wallet. What is kind of true, the security level, it's very kind of high. It's a little bit different kind of wallet. You know, it's not the same like others ones, but if you have some time and you're looking for new crypto wallet, you know, this is would be one of the options of blockchain.com. So they give you like options that you can buy and sell crypto in a minute. You can link your bank accounts very easily. So if you would like to withdraw, you can do it as well on blockchain.com. So they allow you that, because there is some exchanges that you have to sell from one, like from one wallet to another wallet, and then the ones what offer withdraw or what offer, let's say, like credit cards, you know, let's Cryptopay prepaid cards. I don't know what's happening with my stomach. So you pretty much can withdraw money, but blockchain.com actually offers you to, by linking to your bank, you can actually withdraw it as well. You can control your funds with private key wallet. So everything is in one place. As well, it's lightning, fast crypto trading. You have option of trading as well. You get 24-hour live chat support. I mean, I didn't have like any issues, but as well, you have kind of institution becoming of client if you have knowledge and experience in crypto, so you can participate as well. So I mean, yeah, it's like blockchain data is in our DNA, what they say, and also you can actually kind of study and learn more. I think it's because I usually pre-record videos like a couple of months in advance, so I take a break and I just record like short videos just in case if something happens. And I had a break like since when? I believe like I've recorded the last video in the beginning of January, and then I had a break till now. So yeah, I'm kind of resting. So I need to go back, let's say, on recording. But I mean, you kind of can get more information. Like you can use on your laptop as well. You can download. So blockchain is available, and like many products and everything. So there is card. You can get your Visa card. So they offer that as well. And you will earn 1% back in crypto. What is cool, right? So yes, you learn everything new. So because blockchain.com, they really changes pretty much very quickly in the process of the thing, security, you know, like prices, you can learn more, you can earn and go on. So for example, I'm gonna show you how to register and everything just in a second. So let me just scroll myself over here. So I prepare. So for example, you see in down below the things. It's like referral where you can earn you can get bonus of £5 in Bitcoin. Calculate can be probably $10. So this is my referral code. So you can join just directly in blockchain.com, or you can go through here to join. I prepare because I'm using other email address, so I need to copy and paste afterwards. So let's sign up. Okay, so let's create the most simple password, but just you have referral code, yes. Let me copy that as well and just put it over here. So the password, you can choose any password what you want. I'm gonna create the most simplest one. So we're gonna do here as well the same. Then country of residence, you will have to, you cannot put any country what you like. You have actually to put country of your residence where you live, because you will have to add add the documents proving. So that's one of the things. So Israel, you'll have to add, let's say, all documents like passport or ID card, something proving. So we create. It's kind of very simple, you know, you just kind of copy and paste pretty much. Why not? Is it because of the country? Let's put United Kingdom. For some reason, okay, maybe that's my issue, because why are they not creating I don't know why, but let's see. Account cannot be created. Okay, so probably the thing is because of the internet signal, but this is pretty much, it's very easy how you create, right? Like, so I believe that's that issue on my end, because I don't know, like I can try to put like other country. We can try United States. But I believe like, yeah, state, Illinois. Let's check. Or maybe it's them issue. Account successfully created. Interesting. Okay. I guess if you had chance to register, you kind of did registered. This is the thing, I believe so. So they want to check that I would check my email. So there is verification. That's so strange. Okay, so it's been verified. I will go back here. Account been created. So you can choose if you want wallet or exchange. So we're gonna click on wallet, because many things changed since I registered long time ago. So yeah. So you get here, welcome to blockchain, buy crypto now. So we're gonna skip it, but just the process of it, they might gonna ask you to verify your account, So this is my wallet, what it's been created. I mean, I'm not gonna use this account, it's just for educational purposes. So yeah, you can add card, you can link it, but I believe like sometimes they ask you verification. So you can see airdrops. So airdrop program. So there's no active airdrops at the moment. So when it is, you receive an email, or if you go often to applications, you can see it. It will be some and you can get it. But I'm now just kind of confused. Why is that? I'm really kind of surprised for some reason. I think it's something wrong just in general, like with maybe maintenance or something like that is happening. So here you have to complete your profile, but verify your account, what takes 3 minutes, link payment method, what takes 2 minutes. We're not gonna add anything, but let's go back. And as well, buy crypto, what takes only 10 seconds. So verify your ID. So if you have to go one by one, right? We're not gonna verify it now. So you have to put your name and date of birth. So you must be over 18 years old or older. So you put everything and you just click next. So let's just put like that. Next. okay, so you have to put your home address, and I mean, I guess you kind of understood the process. I don't know, let me know if you're not in States, could you register? Because I'm kind of, now I'm interested about that, but yeah, and so why, so probably this video of blockchain.com will be kind of going through other ones as well. If you haven't seen my Coinbase videos, you should watch it. I believe they're open. If not, I guess then no, because I don't remember if they're private or public. But you can go through it because this video of blockchain will be connected together with Coinbase and other. You're gonna see what I mean shortly, in this month. So yeah, but this is very simple kind of tutorial, and you as well can go to like exchange of blockchain and all, like with different things. So you have to connect it here as well before you go in. So yeah, yeah, I'm confused, like why I didn't do that, but it is what it is. If you can connect it and register, please let me know how it went, because I'm now kind of curious about that. But yeah, so this it from me. I'll see you very soon. Bye. So yeah.